Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload your resume to Google Drive. Using Drive makes it easy to store your resume securely and access it anytime, whether for job applications or personal backup. Start by opening a web browser and going to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. Google Drive is a simple and user-friendly tool that keeps your files organized and safe. Once you're inside, click the New button in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload to begin adding your resume. Now, browse your computer to find the correct file. It might be on your desktop, in a folder, or in a job application directory. Once you locate it, click Open to start the upload process. You'll see an Upload Progress window showing how fast your file is uploading and confirming when it's finished. After the upload is complete, your resume is now safely stored on Google Drive. You can access it anytime from any device with internet access. If you want to share your resume, right-click the file and select Share. This allows you to send it directly via email, making job applications faster and more convenient. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your resume to Google Drive. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ease of managing your documents online.